Hello friends. Hope you are fine. So today we take some trade. Let's analyze and enjoy video. Like and subscribe my channel. If you need guidance, DM me. So there is super uptrend. If you look chart. But from there seller seems interested. It's engulfing last two candles. Market now shifting to down for a while. I take two confirmation. One engulfing. Two RSI. Indicator. Let's wait for result. So we place a down trade here. This is an engulfing pattern. Euro to US dollar is not going higher and cannot make a new high. Let's wait for the result. Nice win. I placed another down trade here. We can see three confirmations for a downside move. First, the RSI indicator. Second, an engulfing pattern. Third, the three soldiers pattern. Now let's wait for the result. From here, we can see a combination of 6 patterns, so we place another down trade with strong confirmation that the market is likely moving to the downside at the BOS level or support level. Now let's wait for the result.